What I'm going to walk through today is what I would consider a simple level 3 workflow. So, in the beginning, this webhook is waiting for a chat message to come through. So, in this instance, a chat message in ClickUp to come through. It's going to parse that information. It's going to take that information and then send it through an AI agent. And if you click in here, you'll be able to see exactly what the prompt is. So you can see that the prompt is pretty like kind of lengthy, but it's, very specific to ASC 606. It'll then take that output and convert it into Markdown, where it then separates it out into chunks of text because there's limits on ClickUp and how much text can be sent in one message. And then it basically replies in that same ClickUp chat. And so this is an example of a small end-to-end workflow where the user literally just asks a question, uploads a document, and it goes through this entire chain, and then it spits back an answer. So this is n8n, but you can use Zapier, you can use make.com. They all work similarly, but this is kind of the level up from, hey, I'm doing things that I have to ask a chatbot directly and it kind of answers me. So you might be asking, well, this is kind of just like asking a chatbot, right? Well, yes. However, you see how you can continue to add workflows here. So what ends up happening here now is, for example, once you send a reply to the ClickUp chat, you could then potentially say, if they reply yes or confirmed or, proceed, we'll then go and do a bunch of other actions here. And so what you're doing here is this is just the first building block that you can kind of stitch together to the next workflow, to the next workflow. And I think that's the really important thing that people are missing here is that, yes, in isolation, this looks just like any other chatbot agent. However, when you stitch these together, that's when it becomes a full end-to-end workflow. And as of right now, there's no way to do that inherently within the, OpenAI chat bot or like chat GPT's like chat window, and same thing with Claude. So just wanted to kind of quickly showcase a way that you can start to think about how to start building end-to-end workflows and doing it piece by piece.